SoftAcademy. So in this tutorial channel I uploads all the videos for Oracle SQL, PLSQL, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle database administration, Oracle performance tuning, Oracle forms and reports development, and also Unix shell scripting. So this is about the channel, a short introduction. And I already uploaded all the videos for all this type of modules. Just watch all the videos from the beginning to the end. Who want to learn Oracle various different technologies, as I said, SQL, that is structured query language, PLSQL programming, Oracle database architecture and design, Oracle database administration and performance tuning, Oracle forms and reports development. So I have uploaded many videos on these topics, all the topics. Just watch all the videos from the very beginning to the end. And each video I have explained each topic in very easy way and understandable way, so that after watching the video you can just learn the topic well. And also I explained it in hands-on practical, okay, with hands-on practical. So and also I have uploaded many videos on Oracle interview questions and answers. Who are just going to prepare interview on Oracle different positions for job, they can just watch my series of videos. There are many videos on this interview series, interview question and answer series, as you see in my screen starting from here. So also there are many videos on different kind of topics. As I already said, just watch my all the videos. And after watching the video, if you just like the video, you just give a like. And if it is useful for your learning, and if my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and subscribe my channel, and share this video with your friends, colleagues, and them to who you know. Because I want to share all my knowledge to all the people, and I help people to learn Oracle different technologies through this tutorial channel, okay. So with that said, I also I'll want to say that about a short introduction about myself. My name is Rabin, and I have total of 17 plus years of experiences Oracle, working with all these Oracle technologies and Unix technologies. And I am currently a senior Oracle consultant, as well as technical and trainer and interviewer. So I have been taking interviews for various MNCs for various when they are recruiting people for various Oracle positions and Unix different kind of roles. And I have been teaching all these technologies, different modules on Oracle and Unix during last 10 years. And I am providing training to many MNC companies. When the people are joined the various IT companies, they require training for if they allocated project in Oracle. And also they may be freshers or they may be experienced. Also some experienced people may shift it to another project, to the Oracle project, so they require the training. So I provide this kind of trainings also in various MNCs. And I am helping people to learn Oracle in a detailed manner. And if you watch my all the videos, you just see that how much I am explained it each video in detail with hands-on practical, okay. And whatever video you just watch this watch the video from the beginning to the end, so that you can understand the topic in detail and with the proper hands-on practical, okay. And after watching, if my video have added some value to your learning, just give a like and comment below. If your comment is very much valuable for me. If you like the video, just give a like and comment below. If you have any doubt about the video, if you have any question about the video. And also just share my channel or this video link to your friends, colleagues, so that they can just learn from my video and learn from my channel these Oracle technologies and Unix technologies, okay. So that's all about the introduction session. Just I am going to tell this introduction very beginning of each video, because who are watching the video new, who are the new going to watch my tutorial, they have to know about my channel, whatever videos I have uploaded and I used to upload, and whatever what is about me. So that's why I just I have to say some short introduction about my channel and about me. Okay, so that's all. And today I am just going to share the second part of the earlier topic, which I have already uploaded in as you see in my screen, that is Oracle object dependency and tracking. Okay, so just watch this video before watching this tutorial session, and so that you can learn and you can relate the topic well. Okay, and now I'll just I in earlier video I have shown you what the dependency, Oracle object dependency, and how it works in Oracle 9.9. And today in the and now in this tutorial session I'll show you how the object dependency works in Oracle 11G, the newer version. Okay, so I'm just going to my just going to my command prompt, and I have connected to my SQL prompt. Okay, so I will show you if how in 11G how Oracle object behaves, and how Oracle object, if I change one object, how it impact the dependent object. Okay, just watch the previous video if you not relate to this video. That's why I'm saying watch the previous video, and after that you just continue with watching this video. Okay, so now I'll create the same table T1, and with the same view V1 as I created earlier in the Oracle 9.9. and just I am creating the video. I'm creating the tutorial and just starting the topic. Okay, and now I'll create the same table. Okay, so create table T1. I'll give the same name as I have given in my earlier video. Okay, so create table T1. So I'll give the column name, that is in1 number 5, and into next is into number 5. Okay, so I have some misspelled here, I think. Okay, so create table T1 in one number. What it is saying, command beginning create. Okay, I misspelled the create. Okay, so I am writing again create table T1 now my table is created. Okay, so now I'll create one view based on this table T1. Okay, so create view v1 edge select in1 into from T1. Okay, now see my table and view are created. Okay, if I and where I can see the details about my objects I have been created, there is a table called object user objects. Okay, so I can just see user objects. So you can see all the objects created in my user objects data dictionary table. So actually user object is a data dictionary table where all the objects are stored, all the history creation of object are stored basically. So I already described in my earlier video this about this user objects. So I can just see what are the structure of user objects. So user objects, so this is the structure of user objects. So I take object name and status from user objects. So I'll just see the select object name and status from user objects. So I have created only one table and one view. The view is based on the table. Okay, so let's see. And so I'll use a where condition here to see the particular table and view, where object name in, so table name is t1 and view name is v1. Okay, so now I'll run. So these are the valid status. You can see these are the valid status. So now when I'll modify the table t1, what happen, I'll see what happen about the view, because view is dependent on table t1, because view is created on based on the table t1. Okay, so now if I modify the structure of the table t1, what impact will happen on the view v1, we'll see that. Okay, so let's suppose I'll add one column to table t1. So I'll just write alter table command, alter table t1 add. So I'll give third column name as n3 and that is also number 5. Okay, so my table will be altered. Okay, now in the previous video when I used Oracle 9, we can see that if I modify the structure of table and whatever dependent object, that will becomes invalid. Okay, just watch the video, you will understand that. And now in 11g I am using the 11g. So I have modified the table t1. Now I'll see whether it impacts the dependent object v1, that is view. If my modifying the structure of table t1 have any impact on the view v1. Okay, so to see that I'll just so let's see first if the column have been added or not. So yes, that column have been added. So I'll run the same query again to see the status of the object. Okay, so I'll run the same query. Now see this time in 11g, Oracle 11g is a great feature that if you modify the structure, if you alter the structure of the main base table, the dependent object is not going to be invalid, which is actually we have seen in our earlier video that the dependent object is going we are going to have invalid status and we are not able to work with the view because that we are gone to invalid status. But in 11g you see that after modifying the structure of table t1 also, the view which is based on table t1, that is also the same status remains as earlier, that is valid status. Or we can use this view as well in our program, and these tables and views will be working fine. Okay. So this after modifying the structure of the table, also after modifying the structure of the main object also, whenever the dependent object have no impact, and it will actually accept that changes, that is called the dependency, fine grained dependency tracking. Okay. So that is, I repeat, yeah, after modifying the main object, whenever the dependent object accepts that internally and remains the same status, that is called the fine grained dependency tracking. And this is this comes in Oracle 11g. So this is a great feature, the fine grained dependency tracking. So we cannot need to think about the dependent object whenever we are modifying the structure of the main object, and we need not think about the dependent object. Okay. So using the Oracle fine grained dependency tracking, it will be already accept the new changes and it will be valid status, so we can work on the dependent object as well. Okay. So that's all to discuss in this today's session, and I think this video was informative and it will help you in your learning. And if it helps in your learning, and if this video have added some value to your learning, just give this video a like and also comment below. Your comment is valuable for me, and just subscribe my channel, and so that you can just get the notification for my next video. And also share my channel name and video link to your friends, colleagues, and whoever you know, so that they can also learn from my channel, learn from various skills on Oracle. They make their skills as you are already making your skill from my channel. They can also make their skill and grow their skill as well. Okay. So that's all for this today's tutorial session, and thank you very much for watching my channel and watching this video, and bye.